In today's video, I'm going to teach you using crop pages to a larger size. If you've ever received a PDF with pages that are too small for your needs, maybe they don't match your print size or you want extra white space for notes, this quick method in Adobe Acrobat will help you enlarge the page canvas without altering your content. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This works in Acrobat, not the free reader, because we need access to the specialized page tools. With the file open, head to the Tools area. In the search field at the top, type Crop Pages, then select the Crop Pages tool when it appears. This directs you to the workspace that controls how much of each page is visible and lets you adjust the page boxes. Now double-click any page in your document. That opens the Set Page Boxes dialog box. This is where the magic happens. At the top or side of this dialog, look for Page Range and choose All. So the settings you're about to apply will affect every page in the file. If you only need a subset, you could target specific pages, but for most use cases, All ensures consistency throughout the document. Next, increase the margin values: top, bottom, left, and right. These numbers expand the canvas by adding blank space around your content. Think of it as giving each page a larger sheet of paper to sit on. If you want the content to remain centered, use the same value for each side, such as 0.5 inches or 12 millimeters. If you need extra room on just one side, say for binding, you can raise only that side's value. The units shown in the dialog are what Acrobat will use, so be mindful whether you're working in inches, millimeters, or points. Keep in mind that this does not scale your existing content. It simply enlarges the page size by adding white margins around it. When you're happy with the numbers, click OK to apply the change to all pages. Depending on your document, Acrobat may take a moment to process. Once it's done, zoom out to see the new white space. You should notice that each page now has a larger overall size, while the original content remains crisp and unchanged. If something doesn't look right, you can undo and try different margin values, or reopen Set Page Boxes and adjust. Finally, save your document, ideally as a new file, so you have both the original and the enlarged version. And that's it. You've successfully used the Crop Pages tool to enlarge your PDF pages.